Hello students, today we are going to learn how to find square of any number. How to find square of any number by shortcut method. Let's do example number 1. Find the square of 38. Now square of 3 is 9 and square of 8 is 64. Now add 3 into 8 and 3 into 8 is 24. 24 into 2 is 48. So write 48 over here. Left one digit from right hand side. We get 1444. So square of 38 is 1444. Let's do one more example. Find the square of 53. Square of 25 is 5 into 5. Square of 5 is 5 into 5, 25, and square of 3 is 0, 9. Always write two digits over here. So square of 3 is 0, 9. Now 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2. 5 into 3 into 2. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2, 30. So write 30 over here. Left one digit from right. We have 2809. So square of 53 is 2809. One more example. Find square of 74. Find the square of 74. Square of 7 is 49 and square of 4 is 16. Square of 4 is 16. Now multiply 7 into 4 into 2. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 into 2 is 56. Write 56 over here. We get 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 5, 5, 4, 7, 6. So square of 74 is 5, 4, 7, 6. One more example. Find the square of 86. Square of 8 is 8 into 8, 64. And square of 6 is 36. Now next is 8 into 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 into 2. 8 into 6 is 48. 48 into 2, 96. So 96 plus. We get 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. And 7. 7396. So square of 86 is 7396. One more example. Last example for double digit. Find square of 42. Square of 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. 2 into 2 is 4. Always write double digit. 2 into 2 is 4. No. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. So add 16 over here. We get 1764. So square of 42 is 1764. Now practice some triple digit numbers. Find the square of 521. Find the square of 521. Divide number of digits into two groups. Now square of 52. Square of 52 is 5 square 25, 2 square 04, 5 into 2 into 2, 5 into 2 10, 10 into 2 20, 2704, and square of 1 is 0 1. Now 52 into 1 into 2. 52 into 1 is 52 and into 2 104, right? 104 over here, 104. So 271441 is the answer. Square of 521 is 271441 by shortcut method. First we apply formula for 52 square by shortcut method is 2704, then 1 square is 01, then 52 into 1 into 2, 104. By adding these two numbers we get this. One more example. Find the square of 314. Square of 314. Divide number of digits into two parts, 31 and 4. Now square of 31. 3 square is 9 and 1 square is 01. 3 into 2, 1, 3 into 2, 06. 06. 961. 31 square is 961. Now 4 square. 4 square is 16. Now 31 into 4. 31 into 4. 31 into 4 is 124 into 2. 31 into 4 into 2 is 248. So write 248 over here. 248, which is 98596. So square of 134 is 98596. Let's do one more example. Find the square of 629. Divide number of digits into two parts, 62 and 9. Now square of 62. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 2 is 04. 6 into 2 12. 12 into 2 24. 3844. And square of 9 is 81. Now 62 into 9 is 558 into 2 is 1116. 1116. 62 into 9 is 558. 62 into 9 into 2. 62 into 9 into 2. Into 2 is 1116. So by adding all this we get 395641. So square of 6 to 9 is 395641. One more example. Find the square of 901. Square of 901. Again, divide the given number into two parts. Given digits into two parts. Square of 90 is 8100 and 1 is 01. Now 90 into 1. 90 into 1 into 2 means 90 into 1 into 2. 90 into 2 equals to 180. Right? 180 over here. We get 811801. So square of 901 is 811801. Last example. Find the square of 114. Divide number of digits into two parts. Square of 11 is 121 and square of 4 is 16. Now 11 into 4 into 2. 11 into 4 is 44. 44 into 2 is 88. 11 into 4, 44 into 2 is 88. So write 88 over here. 88. We are left with 12996. So square of 114 is 12996. Is a shortcut method to find square of any number.